Wind-driven fires in Texas are forcing evacuations. Wildfires in Eastland County, Texas and surrounding areas, fueled by dry land and wind, have burned tens of thousands of acres and forced the evacuations of residents.
We cannot underscore enough that there is danger that remains in the surrounding areas, and one reason for that ongoing danger is in part because of the nature of the ground at this particular time, which is quite dry, but also in part because of the ever-shifting winds.
The National Weather Service issued a red flag warning on March 20th, 2022, meaning that fire conditions are critical. This week is forecasted to bring more dry, windy weather to the area, causing concern that the conditions could further fuel existing fires and even start new ones.